Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput, and today we will learn topic reactions of carbonyl compounds from chapter number 12, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So first, what are carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds are those compounds which have such type function group C double bond O. If any compound C double bond O group present with two different R, these compounds are carbonyl compound. Here, instead of R1 and R2, you can use both hydrogen, both CH3, both benzene ring. Other you can exchange H, CH3. On board, you can see different type examples. Listen. These all are carbonyl compounds. In all carbonyl compound, if there is at least one, otherwise more than one means two, otherwise one hydrogen, this is called aldehyde. Aldehyde, this type are CHO, these are aldehyde. If these both are carbon, this compound we call ketone. This is ketone, this is aldehyde. And aldehyde and ketone both are called carbonyl compounds. You can observe here. This is carbonyl compound. And in this carbonyl compound, two benzene rings are connected. So, speedily you can distinguish out of these all compound which compound is ketone and which compound is aldehyde. And their name are two types: general name and IUPAC name. First, we will discuss all these compounds with their general name. Okay. This compound is generally called diphenyl ketone. You can say diphenyl. This is ketone and 2-phenyl diphenyl ketone. This compound also called benzophenone. Benzophenone. And this compound is ketone. And in this compound there is CH3 and methyl. So you can say in alphabetic order this is methyl phenyl ketone. What? Methyl phenyl ketone. You can also this compound is acetophenone. General name. This compound is simple. Here benzene ring is present. So this compound is aldehyde and called benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde, general name, IUPAC name both the same. Benzaldehyde. This compound here. ET means ethyl. The ethyl is CH3CH2 ethyl. So this is ethyl, this is ethyl ketone. This is ketone, its name is diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone. In diethyl ketone, its IUPAC name, after some time we will discuss. This is ketone. This is another ketone. In this compound, this is methyl, this is ethyl, both connected with ketone. You speak in alphabetic order. ET is ethyl, methyl, ketone. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. This is another ketone. Here both are similar. So we can say this is dimethyl ketone. But this is aldehyde because here hydrogen and this is CH3 group connected. So this is called actually 2 carbons. So this is called acid aldehyde. Acid aldehyde. But this compound is not ketone because by C double bond O carbonyl compound there are only two hydrogens. If there is hydrogen, this is aldehyde. Actually this is called formaldehyde. In short, you can write this is HCHO. So form means one carbon and group is aldehyde, this is called formaldehyde. Now ready for IUPAC name. Formaldehyde is called methanol. One carbon methane and group is aldehyde. So this is called methanol. Here two carbon are called ethane and last alps. This is called ethanol in IUPAC system. In IUPAC 1, 2, 3. It has 3 carbon. So 3 carbon system is called propane and last ons this is called propanone. Propanone also known as acetone. So this compound have 3 names. Remember, dimethyl ketone, propanone, otherwise acetone. IUPAC numbering, we will start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Total carbon are 4 and on second condition there is ketone. So we can say this is called butanone. Ketonic group always present between two carbon, and there is no possibility to present this C double bond on ending carbon. So if C double bond were here, otherwise here we can say 2. So there is no need to write 2. This compound is called butanone. Butanone means in 4 carbon, ketone will be present in middle, otherwise this carbon, otherwise this carbon. And this carbon, this total carbon here 2, 2, 1, 5. So there are 5 carbon, and in 5 carbon, suppose this is a 5 carbon chain. In 5 carbon chain, ketonic group may present here, otherwise here, otherwise here. So if double bond present here, you will count here 1, 2. So this is called pentane 2-on. If double bond present here, so you can say this is pentane 3-on. If double bond present here, counting start from here. So you can say pentane 2-on. But this compound double bond present in the middle condition, this is called pentane 1, 2, 3, pentane 3-on. Benzyhalide, simple name. In this compound, numbering here 1 and 2. So this is called 1-phenyl. On first carbon this is ring. So 1-phenyl, 2 carbon called ethane, and last on. So acetophenone is also called 1-phenyl ethanone. 1-phenyl ethanone, and it has only single carbon, and on first carbon there are 2 benzene rings. So we can say 1,1-diphenyl methanone. In IP system this is benzophenone, but actually this called methanone. Remember, this is methane, but single carbon methane, and this group is called on, so methanone. And methanone, on methane there are 2 benzene rings, so we can say diphenyl methanone. There is no need to write 1,1. So these all are called carbonyl compound, different type carbonyl compound, and you can guess which compound is aldehyde, which compound is ketone. Remember one more topic. This is functional group, and the carbon which is connected, suppose this is function group, I am connecting here. So if this is carbon containing function group, this is another carbon. So this carbon is called alpha carbon. Alpha carbon means the carbon which is directly connected with function group. This is suppose bond. Here this is another bond. So this carbon is called beta. Function group, alpha carbon, beta carbon. Listen. In this is function group, this is alpha carbon, and here both carbon are alpha. So identify which compound have alpha carbon and which compound does not have alpha carbon. Can you guess? In this compound there are 2 alpha carbon, but on these carbon there is no hydrogen. So in this compound no alpha hydrogen present. In this compound alpha hydrogen present here, but here absent. In this carbon this is not alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen should be connected with alpha carbon. So alpha carbon is compulsory, so it should be present. Here alpha carbon present but no hydrogen. So it has not any alpha hydrogen. ET means this type, CH3, CH2. This is alpha, this is beta. Again alpha beta. So it has 2 alpha carbon atom and 2 to the 4. Means it has 4 alpha hydrogen and 6 beta hydrogen. This is function group, this is alpha again. So it has 3 and 2, 5 alpha hydrogen and 3 beta hydrogen. This is function group, and from function group to alpha carbon present, these are alpha carbon, these are hydrogen. So it has alpha hydrogen. In this compound alpha hydrogen, but in this compound means in formaldehyde no alpha hydrogen. Out of all these we have observed that in formaldehyde, in benzaldehyde and in acetophenone, these 3 compounds have not alpha hydrogen. And you can see which compound is aromatic, aliphatic. You can observe 1, 2, 3. Starting these 3 compounds are aromatic carbonyl compound due to presence of ring. So here new topic. What is new topic? So first we have discussed different types of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound are two types: aldehyde, ketone. They are further divided in alpha hydrogen and alpha hydrogen absent, alpha hydrogen present, alpha hydrogen absent carbonyl compound. Again you can divide in two categories. Number one aromatic, number दूसरा aliphatic. Aromatic, aliphatic carbonyl compound. So here topic is reactivity of carbonyl compound. Reactivity of carbonyl compound means which carbonyl compound is more reactive, which is least reactive. Topic here. Reactivity is inversely proportional to number of bulky groups. Bulky groups means just like methyl ethyl ring, these are larger group, bulky group. If bulky groups are increasing, means number of bulky groups are directly connected with carbonyl compound, their reactivity decrease. What is the basic reason? Reason is this. You can say reason is SIR. There are three regions on which reactivity of any carbonyl compound depend. First, 1, 2, 3. S. S here, S means steric hindrance. I means inductive effect. And R, last R means resonance. Number 1, steric hindrance. Suppose this is anion compound and this is nucleophile, mean attacking compound. This nucleophile want to attack on this compound. If there are so many groups are connected around this, suppose these are group connected with this, so attacking of this compound will be difficult because these all group repel to this. In there you can observe that hydrogen is very small in size, but CH3 has very larger in size. So this is less steric. It means in formaldehyde around the C double bond O there is space for attacking to nucleophile. But you can observe here, otherwise here, these are very larger group. So there is no sufficient space for attacking the carbonyl compound, attacking the nucleophile on carbonyl compound. So actually these are least reactive. As you can see, these are more steric. Inductive. Inductive effect means electron withdrawing other electron attracting group. All the alkyl group having electron withdrawing nature. Here CH3 repel to electron on this group. If carbonyl compound can obtain electron from here, its reactivity means its polarity decrease. As increase the number of chain, inductive effect means electron donating tendency increase. So if CH3 group, ethyl group, methyl group, benzene group increase, then due to plus inductive effect their reactivity decrease. And last is resonance. What happens? Resonance means benzene ring delocalization of electron. Due to delocalization of electron, suppose this compound is benzaldehyde and benzaldehyde have alternate double bond single bond, and due to these electrons transfer on C double bond O here, electron here and here. After the second step means all the electron goes on this compound and transfer from here to here. So due to resonance, reactivity also decrease. The polarity of this bond become decrease. So due to three reasons, the reactivity order this. It has resonance and more steric, so least reactive. This is more reactive than this compound because here no benzene ring present. Benzaldehyde is more reactive than acetophenone due to presence of hydrogen. Hydrogen provides space for here. This is diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone is more reactive than benzaldehyde due to no resonance, but it is steric. This is again more reactive from this compound. Acetophenone further more reactive because there is ethyl group but there is methyl group, acetaldehyde and highly reactive is this compound, because in this compound there is no steric hindrance, no inductor effect and no resonance. So in next video we will discuss different type reactions of carbonyl compound. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.